Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss maximum and minimum from 10th question. Right on. 10th one. Find the maximum value of 2x power 3 minus 24x plus 107 in 1 comma 3, and also find the maximum value of the same function in minus 3 comma minus 1. Okay na? Let a function is f of x is equal to 2x power 3 minus 24x plus 107. First derivative, f dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 24. F double dash of x. F double dash of x is equal to 12x. But here find the maximum value of this function in this interval 1 comma 3. That means it is absolute maximum, absolute minimum. Okay na? For maximum or minimum, first derivative is equal to 0. What about first derivative? It is 6x square minus 24 is equal to 0. That is 6x square is equal to 24, x square equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2. But here maximum value of this function in 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 means consider plus 2. Okay na? Again find the maximum value of the same function in minus 3 comma minus 1. Minus 3 comma minus 1 means that time consider minus 2. Okay na? Here having two cases. Case 1, maximum value at x is equal to 2. Here 2 is in between 1 comma 3. First question. So that means we have to find f of 1, f of 2, f of 3. Second case. Maximum value of the same function in the interval minus 3 comma minus 1. Minus 3 comma minus 1 means that is a minus 2. Okay na? That is second case. So where f of x is equal to 2x power 3, 24x plus 107. So we have to find the values f of 1, f of 2 and f of 3. What about f of 1? So at x is equal to 1, then it is f of 1. That means 2 minus 24 plus 107. So it is 109 minus 24. We get it is 85. Next at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2, f of 2. F of 2 means it is 2 into 2 square minus 24 into 2 plus 107. It is f of 2 value. There f of 2 is equal to, we get 75. F of 2. Next at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3, that means f of 3 is equal to f of 3. 2 into 3 power 3 minus 24 into 3 plus 107. Then we get f of 3, that is 89. So f of 1 is 85, f of 1 is 85, f of 2 is 75, f of 3 is 89. Which one is a maximum? 89 is a maximum. So it is a maximum. So maximum value at x is equal to 2 is, at x equal to 3 is 89. Maximum value. Okay na? It is a maximum value. Maximum value x is equal to 2. It is in between 1 comma 3. Here two questions are there. Listen, find the maximum value of the function in 1, comma 3. Okay, na? And also maximum value of the same function in minus 3, comma minus 1. So find first derivative. First derivative equal to 0. We get x value plus or minus 2. So plus 2 is in first problem, that is in between 1, comma 3. Next case at x equal to minus 2. At x is equal to minus 2, that is in between minus 3, comma minus 1. Okay, the second case is also there. First you copy this one. Continuation. Second case. And at x is equal to minus 2, it is in between minus 3, minus 1, minus 2 value, where f of x is equal to 2x power 3 minus 24x plus 107. At x is equal to minus 1, at x is equal to minus 1, then f of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 whole power 3 minus 24 into minus 1 plus 107. So then we get f of minus 1 is equal to 129. Next, at x is equal to minus 2. Then f of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 power 3 minus 24 into minus 2 plus 107. Then we get 139. It is f of minus 2. Next, at x is equal to minus 3. At x is equal to minus 3. Then f of minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 whole power 3 minus 24 into minus 3 plus 107. Then we get 125. It is f of minus 3 is equal. So f of minus 1 is 129. F of minus 2 is 139. F of minus 3 is 125. Which one is maximum? 139. It is a maximum value. Maximum value. So previous one, f of 3 is equal to 89. It is 85, 75, 89. It is a maximum value. When x equal to 2, it is in between 1, comma 3. First question. And maximum value of the same function in minus 3, minus 1. That means minus 2. Okay, right in continuation. Write down. Write down. Next question. 11th one. It is given that at x is equal to 1, the function x power 4 minus 62 x square plus ax plus 9 times its maximum value on 0, 2. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. Clearly, the given function is a maximum at x is equal to 1. Find the value of a. It is given that x equal to 1. The function attains its maximum on 0, 2. At x equal to 1, this 1 is in between 0, 2. Find the value of a. Generally, condition for maximum or minimum first derivative equal to 0. First derivative equal to 0 means f dash of x is equal to 0. But here x is 1 at x is equal to 1. That means clearly f dash of 1 is equal to 0. So first consider function like f of x. Find the derivative by data. The function is a maximum at x is equal to 1. That means f dash of 1 is equal to 0. Then we get a value. Okay. Let f of x is equal to x power 4, 62 x square plus ax plus 9. Its derivative f dash of x 4x power 3, 124x plus a. Derivative of ax is a. Derivative of 9 is a constant. The function by data, given function attains maximum at x is equal to 1. That is clearly f dash of 1 is equal to 0. So what about f dash of x? 4x power 3 minus 124x plus a. It is f dash of x. By data, f dash of 1 is equal to 0. So instead of x is 1, that is 4 into 1 power 3. 124 into 1 plus a is equal to 0. 4 minus 124 plus a is equal to 0. A minus 120. We get a is equal to 120. Okay, na? It is given that at x equal to 1, the function attains its maximum on 0, 2. Find the value of. Let consider f of x equal to given function. Find the derivative. Given it is a maximum at x is equal to 1. General condition for maximum or minimum first derivative equal to 0. That means f dash of x equal to 0. So, but here given at x is equal to 1. So, that is f dash of 1 equal to 0. So, it is first derivative at x is equal to 1. So, 4 minus 124 plus a is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1. Right on? Write down. Right, next question. Find two numbers. Find two numbers. So sum is 24. Find two numbers. The sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Find two numbers. Its sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Important this type of problems. First, consider any two numbers. Let x and y be any two numbers. X and y be any two numbers. Here given the sum of two numbers is 24. Sum of two numbers means by data x plus y is equal to 24. Here we consider x and y are any two numbers. Here given find two numbers. So sum is 24. That means x plus y is equal to 24. Y is equal to 24 minus x. And whose product is as large as possible. Let P is equal to xy. Product. Let P be the product of xy. Let P be the product of two numbers. That means P is equal to xy. So P is equal to x into y. What about y? Here 24 minus x from equation 1. So here P is equal to 24x minus x square. Then differentiation with respect to x on both sides, we get dp by dx is equal to 24 minus 2x. But here, find two numbers, is the sum is 24 and the product is as large. Large means maximum. Maximum or minimum depends on second order derivative. It is only first order derivative. Again a differentiation. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. That is d square p by dx square is equal to minus 2. Derivative of 24, constant 0. Derivative of 2x is a 2. Derivative of minus 2x is a minus 2. It is a negative, so it has a maximum. It has maximum. Now maximum values. Okay, na? So for maximum or minimum, for maximum or minimum, put first derivative dp by dx is equal to 0. What about first derivative? 24 minus 2x is equal to 0. That is 24 minus 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to 12. If x is equal to 12, then what about y value? 24 minus 12, it is also 12. So put x is equal to 12. Substitute in equation 1. This 1 is y is equal to 24 minus x. So y is equal to 24 minus 12. Y is equal to 12. So find two numbers. That means 12 and 12. Therefore, two numbers are two numbers are two numbers are 12, 12. Okay, na? Sum of two numbers is 24 and their product is maximum. Okay, na? X and y are any two numbers. Here given sum of the two is 24. That means x plus y equal to 24. Y is equal to 24 minus x. And also given their product is large. We have to show that their product is large as possible. So let P be the product of two numbers. That means P is equal to xy. Already from equation 1, y is equal to 24 minus x. By multiplying, we get 24x minus x square. Then find a derivative. First derivative is 24 minus 2x. Second order derivative is minus 2. Second order derivative negative means it has maxima. Then for maximum and minimum, first derivative equal to 0. Then we get x value, that is 12. That x equal to 12, substitute in first equation, we get y. That x and y are two numbers. So 12 and 12 are two numbers. Their sum is 24 and their product is maximum. You can write down. Okay, ma. Read the next question. Find two positive numbers. Find two positive numbers x and y. Positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equal to 60 and x y power 3 is a maximum. Find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equal to 60 and x y cube is a maximum. Listen. Where x and y are any two numbers, x and y be any two numbers given x plus y is equal to 60. Given x plus y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 60 minus x. It is considered equation 1. And x y cube is maximum. Let p is equal to x y cube. That means p is equal to x into y cube. What about y? 60 minus x whole cube. It is from equation 1. Put or find a derivative dp by dx. It is a derivative of uv form. Derivative of uv form. So x into 60 minus x whole power 3. So dp by dx is equal to x into derivative of x cube 3x square. That means 3 into 60 minus x whole square into derivative of 60 minus x, that is minus 1. X into derivative of 60 minus x whole cube. 3 into 60 minus x whole square into derivative of 60 minus x, that is a minus 1, plus 60 minus x whole cube into derivative of x, that is 1. It is a minus 3x into 60 minus x whole square plus 60 minus x whole cube. So 60 minus x whole square into 60 minus x whole square into, it is a minus 3x, it is a 60 minus x whole cube, whole square common term, remaining is 60 minus x. So it is a 60 minus x whole square into 60 minus 4x. It is only first order derivative. For maxima or minima, for maxima or minima, put first derivative is equal to 0. That means 60 minus x whole square into 60 minus 4x is equal to 0. It is x is equal to 60 and 60 minus 4x is equal to 0. X is equal to 10. So here we get the two values. 15. X is equal to 60. X is equal to 15. But here x is equal to 60 is not possible. Why? Because sum is 60. Sum is 60. And x into y power 3 means it is a product, is a maximum. In case x equal to 60, consider x value 60 consider. What about y value? It is 0. If x equal to 60, y becomes to 0. Okay, na? But it's a product. X is 60, y value is 0. 60 into 0, 0. 0 is a minimum, it is not maximum. So 60 is does not exist for this. X plus y equal to 60 and x y equal to maximum. In this case, x equal to 60 is does not exist. So clearly x is equal to 15. If x is equal to 15, what about y value? 45. Y value 45. Okay, na? So put x is equal to 15. Substitute in equation 1. That is y is equal to 60 minus x. Y equal to 60 minus 15. Y is equal to 45. Therefore, clearly x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 45. Here also, sometimes you have to find second order derivative. So second order derivative, again derivative of uv, then x equal to 15 substitute, we get a negative. Okay, na? So it is a dp by dx, only first order derivative. Again we have to find second order derivative. In that second order derivative, if x equal to 15 substitute, the result becomes negative. Then we decided it is maximum and x is equal to 15. Okay, na? Then put x equal to 15, substitute in equation 1, then we get y value 40. Therefore, two numbers are 45, 15 or 15, 40. Okay, na? Write down. Okay, write down next. Next question. Find two positive numbers. Find two positive numbers. Find two positive numbers x and y, or whose sum is 16 and the sum of its cube is minimum. Sum of its cube is minimum. Find two positive numbers. Sum is 16 and the sum of its cube is minimum. Same, consider any two numbers x and y, or any two numbers X and Y, any two numbers. X and Y be any two numbers by data. Its sum is 16. X plus Y is equal to 16. So here Y is equal to 16 minus X. Okay, sum is 16. And sum of its a cube is minimum by data. S is equal to X cube plus Y cube. Its a sum is minimum 16. And the sum of its a cube, that means X cube plus Y cube is a minimum. X and Y are any two numbers. Its a sum is 16. Sum of its a cube is a minimum. X cube plus Y cube. So S is equal to X cube plus Y cube. S is equal to X cube plus Y cube means it is 16 minus X whole cube. It is from equation 1. Next differentiation. ds by dx. Derivative of x cube means 3x square. It is a 3 into 16 minus x whole square into minus 1. It is a 3x square minus a 3 into 16 minus x whole square. Okay, na? It is a ds by dx. Again derivative. Put ds by dx is equal to 0. Consider. We get a 3x square minus a 3 into 16 minus x whole square is equal to 0. That means a 3 into 16 minus x whole square is equal to 3x square. 16 minus x is equal to x. That means 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 8. But it is a minimum. Minimum means second order derivative is positive. So equation 2, again differentiation with respect to x. It is a first order derivative. So that means d square s by dx square. It is a derivative of 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square. It is 6x minus 6 into 16 minus x. It is second order derivative. Already here we get x value 8. No? That x is equal to 8. Substitute in second order derivative. Here we get a positive. At x is equal to 8. Then d square s by dx square. 6 into 8 minus 6 into 16 minus 8. It is a 48. It is a 0. Okay, write down. I will explain again. Write down continuous is also there. Second order derivative plus 96. That means it has minimum. Okay, na? Write down continuous is also there. So when it is a minimum at x equal to 8. That x equal to 8, substitute in equation 1. Put x is equal to 8. Substitute in equation 1. 1 implies y equal to 16 minus x. 16 minus 8. Y is equal to 8. Therefore, two numbers are 8 and 8. Two numbers Two numbers are 8 and 8. Okay, na? So today BC is completed on maximum minimum. Tomorrow we are going to discuss objective on increasing, decreasing, maximum minimum. It is continuation topic. Okay, na?